Hi guys, it's me, your beauty queen and perfect Emily. Today, I'm making a Dandy's World Arc. Her name is Princess Bloom. She is a princess and the queen of Dandy's World. Princess Bloom loves the color pink. And what I mean pink, every pink color. To get her, you need one core, because she's a main tune and a special tune.
Emily, what are you doing?
I'm making a Dandy's World Arc, you old hat.
Emily, watch your words.
Shut up and get out of my room, you old hat.
Fine, jeez. You're such a brat.
Anyways, back to the video. Bloom has very good stats. She loves to play and she's very greedy. She also has hard eyes since she loves Dandy and she's obsessed with him. Bloom has 3 abilities. Her first ability is Love Potion. This ability makes all Twisteds fall in love with any random object they see. Second ability is Magical Fairy Dust. This ability makes Twisted's vision blurred because of her fairy dust. Her last ability is Flower Power. This ability makes every Twisted have the flowers bloom around them, which makes them stuck for hours. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say her age. She is 1 years old. I also mentioned she's Dandy's wife or girlfriend. Well, she has 2 other BF, Sprout and Louie. Dandy knows this, but he doesn't do something about it, because that's his wife. She is the most popular tune. Everybody loves her. She has big eyelashes because she is a beauty queen like me. She also wears a white DR.
Emily, I told Mom of what you said to me. She's coming to scold you ... so good luck.
Aw shit! Let me just lock my door so she wouldn't come in lol. Okay, now she wears super shiny golden boots. Her boots are made out of pure gold. Her twisted form looks bigger than other Twisteds. I forgot to say her nicknames are Bloomy, Princess, Loom, Pinky, and Bloom. I might post her twisted form someday because I'm lazy to do .it and I have school. Anyways, Sprout X Bloom, Dandy X Bloom, Louie X Bloom is canon, so respect IDC. BW, she's also a Yandere. If someone goes near her, Pucky Bear, she will kill them. She also wears a beautiful crown because she is Dandy's wife. Her trinket is her own crown, which cost one. She also loves glitter, like a lot of glitter. Her petals are made out of fairy dust, and her eyeshadow is made out of fairy dust too. She also has some long stylish red nails. Her nails is her weapon for killing tunes that comes near Dandy. Anyways, that's all. So bye bye, and I hope you like my video.